For statistics and human resources, for the women, 71.4% are single, never married, no kids. 12.9% are divorced. 11.3% are married. And that's alarming. Single women are very, very egoistic, and they have power trips. And divorced women too. They've been in bad marriages or failed marriages, and it's been displayed. Most marriages are due to financial conflict. And infidelity and stuff, and they think that they should be higher than the man opposed to that. And then I find that these human resources thing, these single women, these divorced women, which compose of 81, 82, 84, 84.9, 85.3% of the people hiring, these men come into the in practice and they treat them very well. They come with man. Everybody in the interview comes with manners. They're very flirtatious with a woman. They greet them. They treat them like ladies. That basically, I open your door, you first. I treat you. It's a flirting technique, and those men, they're very favorable of getting a job, of employment by these females that are not qualified, and that's the same man that treats you nice this day, but the next day he's hitting you, or he's out with the other lady that he invited from work to the Yankee game or to the so like invite to the girlfriend's baby shower over there, and it's very nasty, man. But he's nice with that lady because he needs something from her. Um, Otherwise, it's very, trust me, it's a very sexual harassment too, kind of thing. Um, it's a very, very thing. Otherwise than that, I want to tell you about the world population because Evelyn thinks it has a queen because there's more women than men in the world, and the wo- and the world population of women is 1.234. 100, 1.2 billion people. I don't have to say specific. 1.2 billion women. What is 1.7? 1.6 men. 1.6 men. Billion men. Um, so, um, we saw that one of the some it's not how sorry, what is it about? So it's about um, teacher, not wasn't about you don't see how start to get the job and timeline on the kids they can start that or you were asking um part first house was open the um after um yeah cancer he also Richard Randall, they were six, I think, um, yes, it's just that, all of that, then they got 7,338%, and the state has 7.4 million. The next one, 81,000, we almost got all those, she was also social media, she's in the good network of Brazil. She rents a house of 1,750, she took 27.4 million for her, and when they able this line of ALA and LOA, she has a corporate account, they made 80% for it, 1979, as far as the bank. The next one is also women's. Who committed suicide. Suicide doesn't exist in 2017. He left, sounds crazy, he's alive, he's a natural, IC house. The purchase of property for 1.275 million to that big house. He has a chase account, today. Look at that, now he left the 66, the big chase account, just, 720,000, 120,000, 32 cents. Chase account, 27.4 million.